Hello everyone, I'm Seohee teacher. Today I'm gonna read the story, The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time, there was a mother duck sitting on her eggs near the lakeside. She couldn't wait to see her babies.
I wonder when my babies will come out.
Not long after, her eggs started to hatch. Out crept the little ducklings. Quack, 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 quack. The mother duck counted ducklings.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, there should be one more.
Mother duck looked around and found one egg which hadn't hatched yet. It was a little bit larger than the other eggs. Mother duck waited patiently, sitting until it hatched. Soon, the last egg hatched, and out crept the ugly duckling. He doesn't look like us, one duckling observed. Mother duck still loved him dearly. While the little duckling swam in the water, other ducks approached and teased the ugly duckling.
That one looks so ugly. He's such a strange creature.
Mother duck was upset.
That is not a nice thing to say.
She comforted the ugly duckling. Don't mind what they say. You're still small, and we grow up to be a beautiful dog. The ugly duckling listened to his mother and tried to make his friends, but no one wanted to play with him. They just made fun of him.
You got talk like us. You're so funny.
Lonely, the ugly duckling decided to run away one night to find his true friend. A few days later, the ugly duckling found a small cottage which belonged to an old lady, a cat, and a hen. They looked after him, but they weren't able to be his friend because they could not fly or swim like the duckling. They advised the ugly duckling to go to South Lake to find some friends. Flying day after day, the ugly duckling finally arrived at the lake.
Oh, what a lovely place. It feels so good to swim after so long.
Then he spotted a flock of white birds in the sky.
I have never seen such beautiful flowers. I wish I could be like them.
In order to be a beautiful duck, he practiced swimming and flying every day. When the weather got colder, he took shelter in the bushes alone. It felt like the winter was going to last forever. But one day, the sun began to shine. The ice melted and the ugly duckling headed towards the lake. Surprisingly, one of the white birds he'd seen before came to him.
Hi, would you like to swim with us?
The ugly duckling was so happy. When he was about to go in the water, he saw his reflection.
Unbelievable, I'm not an ugly duckling anymore.
The ugly duckling had become a grown-up swan with silky and white feathers. He realized that both the ugly duckling and beautiful swan were parts of him and that he should love himself for who he is. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe and like the video. Bye!